Why are you carrying a fan?
It's a DIY air purifier. We had an air quality presentation in class, and they gave each student one to take home.
A DIY air purifier? What does it do?
It cleans the air by filtering out pollution and harmful particles. We learned that there are tiny, invisible pollutants in the air. When the air quality is bad, we breathe in those harmful particles, which can affect our health.
That sounds like some made-up stuff. Pollutants? Come on.
Do you know how many breaths we take in a day?
I don't know. 500?
We take about 25,000 breaths every day. And if the air is polluted, that's 25,000 times we're inhaling harmful stuff.
But how does it actually harm us?
It can cause lung problems, trigger asthma and allergies, irritate our throat, eyes, and skin. The presenter said that schools in neighborhoods like ours don't usually get these kinds of programs. I asked why, and he said, because we're often overlooked. But he grew up here, just like us, and now he's trying to change that.
And all of this is because of air quality?
Yeah. As temperatures rise, air quality gets worse. Longer pollen seasons, more asthma attacks, and pollution that just keeps getting stronger.
My little sister has bad allergies.
Oh man, my little sister has bad asthma attacks. That's why I'm setting this up in her room. Cleaner air will help her breathe easier.
That makes sense. The people downstairs smoke, and the smoke comes into our place. My sister's allergies get worse, and my mom gets headaches. I thought they were just complaining.
Now think about this. We spend 90% of our time indoors.
I never thought about that. We really do?
Do you guys have a fan at home?
Yeah, we've got one just like that.
Perfect. Here, take this MERV 13 filter. Someone in class didn't want theirs, so I grabbed an extra.
For real? I can have this? Thanks, man. I'll set it up in the front room so my sister doesn't have to breathe all that smoke.
When you're able to, you should get a proper air purifier for your home. Clean air helps everyone stay healthier, reduces stress, improves focus.
Everything you just told me is one of the best things I've heard today.
That's the whole point of the program. Thrive 2.
Thrive 2?
The presenter wrote it on the board. Thrive 2. It's about taking control of your indoor air and helping each other thrive too.
I like that. Thrive 2.
Thrive 2.